Welcome to Nextdoor Rental, your community rental portal. We make it easy to rent or lend almost any item. Let's embark on an exciting journey of how to use our app. Step 1. Set up your profile to dictate how and when and where you wish to lend out items using our built-in calendar feature. Step 2. Register your items for free or explore items you might need from other members of your community. Step 3. Select an item and make a proposal for the item you need on your terms. Step 4. The lender will accept or reject or negotiate terms using our built-in chatting feature. Step 5. Once the lender accepts the proposal, the renter pays as per the contract terms. Step 6. The renter will submit a geolocation time-stamped photo of the product for your verification and documentation at the agreed time and location. Upon the lender's verification, the transaction takes off, and Nextdoor Rental transfers your payment. Step 7. When the product is returned, the same photo verification protocol is repeated to guarantee a seamless and secure transaction. The held security deposit reverts back to the renter if there is no incident report at the end of the transaction. Voila! You've successfully completed a rental transaction with Nextdoor Rental, connecting neighbors with resources, one product at a time. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Please review additional topics in the comments below.